If you're someone who doesn't even want to change your life, leave this video right now. I already know the people who truly want to change will stay till the end, whether the video entertains them or not. Because the truth is, you're not lazy. You're overstimulated. Your brain got trained to survive on comfort. Fast dopamine, shortcuts, notifications, 5-second entertainment. And now every hard thing feels painful. Studying feels painful. Working out feels painful. Even sitting alone with your own thoughts feels painful. And nobody really talks about that part. You open your phone for 1 minute, and suddenly it's midnight and you hate yourself again. You tell yourself tomorrow will be different. But deep down, you already know tomorrow will probably look the same. And that's the scary part. Your brain isn't broken. It's adapting. Psychology calls it reward prediction. Your brain repeats whatever gives fast relief, not what gives meaning. Which means every time you avoid discomfort, your brain quietly learns that discomfort is dangerous. Read that again in your head. Your mind would rather protect you than improve you. That's why you keep running back to things that are ruining you. Pause for a second and think about this. When was the last time you did something hard long enough to actually feel proud of yourself? Not distracted. Proud. You know what's crazy? Most people never realize they're addicted to escaping their own potential. Because hard things feel slow at first. Invisible. Nobody claps when you wake up early. Nobody cares when you study instead of scrolling. Nobody sees the nights you force yourself to keep going while your brain begs for comfort. But something dangerous starts happening when you keep choosing hard things anyway. Your brain starts connecting pain with growth instead of fear. That's the shift nobody explains. Discipline isn't forcing yourself forever. It's teaching your brain that discomfort leads somewhere beautiful. And once your brain believes that, everything changes. Suddenly the workout gives peace. The studying gives confidence. The silence stops feeling lonely. You stop needing constant stimulation because your mind finally remembers what real fulfillment feels like. But before that moment comes, there's a phase almost everyone quits in. The phase where nothing feels rewarding yet. Where you're trying to change, but still feel empty. You know it too. That's the moment that decides your future. Because most people go back. Back to comfort. Back to distractions. Back to the version of themselves they secretly hate. And if this part hurts to hear, good. Maybe you needed it. Maybe nobody's ever called you out like this before. You keep waiting to feel motivated before changing your life. But your brain changes after action, not before it. Nobody talks about this. The confidence you want is hidden inside the hard things you avoid every day. And one day you're either going to look back grateful you suffered for growth, or devastated you traded your entire future for temporary comfort. So the next time your brain tells you to quit, remember this: your comfort zone has never once made you proud of yourself.